Hi guys, thank you so much for joining me today for this glute workout. Like usual, we will be doing 40 seconds on and 10 seconds off. Let's begin with some fire hydrants. Optional to put one knee on a block, a little bit of an extra challenge for that bottom glute. Make sure your belly button's moving towards your spine, your shoulders are stacked on top of your wrists, and really try to squeeze the glute at the top when you open your knee to the side, making sure that your knee and your ankle are in the same line as the floor.
Every night I close my eyes and see only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk.
Take a quick 10-second breather and then we'll go to the other side.
Million things I can't erase. Million people I can't save.
Same thing to the second side for 40 seconds.
Don't wanna wake up. Tell me that you can see what I see, feeling wrapped up in the warmth of Sunday memories. But I don't even know what's next. But all I know is step by step. But then again, I don't wanna wait for bliss when all I really need is
Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Amazing. Next, go ahead and grab your loop band, place it over top of your ankles, and we do parallel arabesque lifts with one leg. So make sure you go onto your elbows, onto one knee, extend one leg to the back and lift it up, hold it and lock it at the top, squeezing the top glute, and then lower down. If you were to flex your feet, make sure that that top foot, the toes are facing down so that your leg is truly parallel. There is no external rotation here. Keep going, 23 more seconds. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Amazing. Take a quick 10-second breather, switch sides, and we do the same thing, lifting the leg up and down, nice and slow, locking it at the top. Let's try 40 seconds on.
What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up. Million things
Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Amazing. Go ahead and swing your legs around. Place the band on top of your thighs, above your knees. Emphasis on above your knees. And we go into glute bridges in 3, 2, 1. 40 seconds of glute bridges. You guys know this one really well, so let's try.
I never said that I want you to your face, and I know that I can't. No good it would do. It would scar you. Then what a fine friend I would be. How low can I go?
Finishing the last one. Beautiful. Move on to your side for our abduction series. So that top leg is going to extend and point towards the top corner of the room, keeping the leg truly parallel or neutral. With the knee extended, we lift up and down, keeping the band taut the entire time. The last 20 seconds, we do little pulses at the top. Keep going.
Low, I can go low. I go low. Oh, oh.
And now we do little pulses for 20 more seconds. Keep going. And relax. Take a quick 10-second breather, and then we go into clamshells on the same side. Really tire out that top glute. Let's start in 3, 2, 1. Clamshells for 40 seconds. You've got it.
I won't think it over. I know one day we all die. I'm sure you could learn to despise me, and I could learn to make you cry. How low can I go?
And we have everything to the second side, starting with those abductions, 20 seconds of lifts, and 20 seconds of pulses with the other leg, lifting it up towards the top corner of the room. Now our hips are stacked here, shoulders are stacked, and again, that top leg is parallel, as if you were standing on it. Keep going for 10 more seconds before we do little pulses. And now let's do little pulses for 20 seconds. And relax, take a quick 10-second breather. Next we have clamshells for 40 seconds. "40 seconds of clamshells, keeping our hips stacked. Keep going. And that concludes this glute workout. Thank you so much for joining me today, guys. Feel free to follow along in my glute stretch, or feel free to watch one of my other videos I have in the cards up above. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, bye now.
Your blood